Hey guys, my name's Ramal, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be going over my impressions of the Google Home Mini, which is Google's cheapest smart speaker with Google Assistant, and in Australia it usually retails for about $80, but I managed to pick this one up for $45. So for the past couple of years I haven't really used any devices apart from ones that have been made by Apple, but there is an exception to that, and that is the HomePod. I never really had any interest in the HomePod as a smart speaker, even though it had really good audio, and for me Siri just didn't cut it when it came to most everyday tasks. However, the Google Home Mini is a really neat way to take a step into the smart home ecosystem, especially with its low price tag. So without any further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So in terms of the box, it's a pretty standard box with an image of the product on the front and a bit of information on the remaining sides. So let's open this box up. So on the bottom there's a pull tab. After pulling it, you can simply open the box like a little crate, and right on top here we have the Google Home Mini. So I opted for the charcoal grey version, which I think looks really cool, looks really clean, especially in this neat design. So let's put that to a side, and right under that we have some paperwork. So this includes a quick start guide and some safety information, stuff that's not too important. So right under that we have the wall adapter, which is directly connected to the charging cable. So this cable isn't USB-C, it is micro USB, which I'm not too happy about, but at this price point I don't really think I need to complain, especially considering that this is going to be plugged in 100% of the time. So like I said before, I'm a very heavy user of Apple's devices, but this Google Home Mini allows me to dip my toe into Google's ecosystem without breaking the bank. Now of course, having spent only a few hours with this device, I can't really give a definitive opinion about this Google Home Mini, but if you want to stick around for my full review, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. But even in the little time that I've had with the Google Home Mini, I can say that I'm really happy with the experience that I've had so far. The speakers are very sensitive, and the speaker, for what it is actually quite crisp and clear, especially considering that it's coming from such a small body. Hey, who's better, you or Siri?
Siri's the best Siri. I try to be the best Google Assistant.
Well, you heard it here first. Anyway, thanks so much for watching guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on my review of the Google Home Mini. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and as always, thank you so much for watching.